3, 2, 1.
We think Megaphone is one of the best places to work in Australia, and we want to show you why. Enjoyment is a huge part of our mission as a company, so we put a massive emphasis on creating an incredible environment for you to work in.
At Megaphone, we've always worked hard to create the best high-performance culture in Australia. We've won awards like the best social media marketing agency in Australia and the top 100 coolest companies. We've worked with some of the biggest brands in the world, and we put a massive focus on learning.
At Megaphone, it's not just about having a place to come to work.
It's about having a place where you can learn and develop and experience radical career progression.
So if you're looking for a career that prioritises personal growth, you love a challenge, and you don't mind hanging out with a few dogs, then we'd love to hear from you. Hey, I'm Lauren.
And I'm Josh.
And here's 5 reasons why you should work at Megaphone.
Reason number 1, we never stop learning.
At Megaphone, we put a huge emphasis on self-development because we see learning as a critical life skill. That's why we run regular workshops, upskilling courses, and encourage everyone to share their latest insights with the team through regular training sessions and Slack channels dedicated to innovation.
We're a high-performance crowd. We love podcasts, courses and books, and we even have our own little library. And we've put together one of the industry's most extensive training programs.
So we actually have a trained teacher who will be taking you through the first month of your career at Megaphone. But it's not just about growing as digital marketers. We want our team to grow as people. That's why we also have wellness sessions, mental health workshops, yoga nights, social committees, international programs, and so much more. We also have a mentoring program which we have just launched, and this is a program where I work with individuals throughout the company, different departments, different stages of growth at Megaphone, and we help them to grow as individuals, which also helps us grow as a company.
Reason number 2, fast personal growth. At Megaphone, because we're so focused on creating awesome outcomes for ourselves and our clients, it opens up opportunities for all of our staff members to carve their own paths and experience massive career progression.
What this means is you don't have to be at Megaphone for a certain amount of time to progress. It's all based on merit. So we've had team members come on board who have started as an intern, progressed through to a junior staff member all the way up to senior, and who are now managing a team of 10 plus people. And that happened in the space of a couple of years.
If you're eager to learn and grow, the sky's the limit. That's why we've promoted over 20 people in the last 3 months. We run regular cross-department workshops to help everyone expand their skill sets, provide top-level leadership development, and give our team the tools and opportunity to drive their own path and take the next step in their career. And for people who found that the role just isn't quite for them, we've managed to work with them and find a better role for them in a bigger opportunity.
We're now in 6 cities and 3 countries, and with plans for even more. And as we keep expanding, we're on the hunt for people like you who are driven, ambitious, and want to challenge themselves every day. Reason number 3 is fun.
One of our 5 values is enjoyment, and we've worked hard to create an environment that everyone can enjoy. We take our work and personal development seriously, but ourselves, not so much. We have office dogs, chill-out zones, gyms, a gamers area, plenty of cheeky and healthy snacks, and a beer on tap for the Friday night drinks.
And you'll never see us in a suit, except maybe for our rooftop parties. We throw a stack of fun at team events too. We're talking barefoot bowls, movie nights, fancy galas, river cruises, Bali retreats, and weekend getaways.
Reason number 4 is perks.
At Megaphone, we've designed the space so that you can get the most out of your day. We have a collaboration zone which we encourage you to share ideas in. We also have a library and a number of book clubs happening in different departments throughout the year.
We all love a good work perk, but at Megaphone, the most important thing is encouraging our team to live their lives. If you want flexible hours or to work in a new city for a few weeks or spend some time overseas, we're always happy to accommodate. Another perk is giving back to the community. We work with non-profit organisations like Make-A-Wish, Oz Harvest, and join awesome charity events like fun runs.
Reason number 5 is that we do things a little bit differently. We know we're not like any other agency, and that's why we love it here.
Megaphone is not a company for everyone, and it's not supposed to be. Megaphone's a company for people that are looking for radical personal development, that are looking to take their work seriously, but not themselves. At Megaphone, we've created a space where people can carve their own path. If you want to innovate, create something that hasn't been done before, pitch a new department, or organise an event, we encourage it.
In the past, we've had people start podcasts, open interstate offices, pitch new services, invite guest speakers, and heaps more.
We believe that it is essential to have talented individuals who are willing and eager to learn, more so than it's important whether or not they've had 5 to 10 years experience in the industry.
And this is why we have designed our hiring process to find exactly that person. So if this sounds like you, we would love to hear from you. Apply now.
Copy
Sorry.
my hand gesture.
Was there too many hands? Because I can do it without hands. Okay.
This is show business, baby. This is how it works.